Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy Sunday to you all. I hope you are enjoying your Sunday, guys. In today's video I'll be sharing with you how I make my delicious porridge, beans and ripe plantain, guys. So let's get started with our ingredients first. In here we have our already cooked beans, our ripe plantain already washed and sliced, our blended crayfish, our seasoned cube, our salt to taste, our sliced onions, our red oil, and my tomato, guys. I'm using grounded pepper. So guys, let's get started into today's video. Before you put your pot, make sure you put water and raise it. I've already done that. So guys, today's video will be bomb because if make sure you try this recipe. It's very delicious, guys. This porridge, beans and plantain is very delicious. It tastes so good, guys. So the next step for us to do is to add in our red oil. Let's check our oil, because before you add in your onions you need to breach your oil first so that it will not be giving that kind of taste when you cook finish. So now it's time to add in our sliced onions. You can see the shine. So if the oil do not breach well, it will not give you this sound. Now it's time to add in our ginger and garlic. I normally add my spices while frying the onions. You fry your onions for 1 to 2 minutes. Our tomato. Please guys, try this recipe. We love it. The taste is very delicious. The recipe is good. You can even cook only the beans porridge and then you use custard or bread to take it. It's very nice and healthy because beans is a well proteinous food. So you need to fry your tomato very well so that the taste will not be awful. You need to fry your tomato for like 5 minutes. Let's cover our tomato and wait for like 5 minutes so that the tomato will fry very well. So guys, let's check our tomato. You can see the outcome is well fried now. Now it's time to add in our seasoned cube. Salt to taste. Our grounded pepper. Our crayfish, turn it. Now it's time to add in our ripe plantain. I'm mixing it with the potato. Then our beans, guys. After that, you have to turn it very well so that all the tomato will mix together with your food. This food is very delicious, guys. Make sure you try this recipe. You will love it. It tastes so good and is very nutritious in the body. So now it's time to add in our water. You have to add your water little by little because the beans is already cooked. And you know plantain do not have that strength to cook for long. I'm cooking it with plantain and potato together. Guys, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to like this video, share and comment, guys. That is the only way to show that you love what you watch and you learn something on it, guys. Give this video a like and enjoy watching this video. So after that, you have to cover your pot and cook it for like 5 to 7 minutes. Then you still check your food again. So guys, let's check our food. You can perceive the aroma, guys. I told you guys, try this recipe. It's very good. Very good, guys. You can see the outcome. Everything is looking so unctuous and so delicious. The taste is very lovely. Please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, comment and share to your friends and family, and make sure you try this recipe, guys.